Exercise number 1, PLD book. This dictation recorded by Avishar Ali, stenographer. Ready. One of the seminal principles of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan is the concept of trichotomy of powers between the legislature, executive and the judiciary. Full stop. This principle underpins the rational that framing of a government policy is to be undertaken by the executive, which is in a better position to decide on account of its mandate, experience, wisdom, and sagacity, which are acquired through diverse skills. Full stop. The legislature, which represents the people, enacts the law, and the law so enacted acquires legitimacy. Full stop. The judiciary, on the other hand, is entrusted with the task of interpreting the law and to play the role of an arbitrator in cases of disputes between the individuals, inter se, and between individual and the state. Full stop. We may remind ourselves that judiciary neither has sword nor pursue. Full stop. The legitimacy and respect of its judgments is dependent on people's confidence in its strict adherence to the Constitution, its integrity, impartiality, and independence. Full stop. In changing times and judicialization of political issues, a certain degree of judicial activism by fearless and impartial judiciary is also essential for maintaining its integrity and people's trust. Full stop. In most of the modern democracies, judiciaries have been called upon to provide wider meanings to various provisions of the Constitution so as to meet the challenges of modern times and to fill the gap between the law and the requirements of substantive justice. Full stop. Every institution has to play its role in enforcing the Constitution and the law. Full stop. It is a multidisciplinary exercise. However, implementation of rule of law is the primary function of judiciary. Full stop.